Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a subscription box, and this is from Latest and Beauty. So if you want to see what I choose in this month Latest and Beauty, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for continuing support. And yes, we're unboxing Latest and Beauty. So I chose these products last Friday, which is 23rd of September, and it just came today. And if you are new to this subscription box, this is a monthly beauty subscription box. It costs, I know it changed now because I think it cost £14.95 plus the shipping fee, and every month you can choose 6 beauty products in their beauty counter. After 3 months, I think your 4th month, you will become a member pro, which means that you will have a free shipping, and it will cost you only £14.95 a month. But also you will get a 15% off in their beauty box limited edition collection boxes. So yes, for all info, as always, and link will be in the description box below. So let's open this. So it always comes with this black box. Let's see. So when you open it, it says Latest in Beauty, my beauty discoveries. And yes, let's start. Every Friday, lovelies, they release their new products. I always do my lineup spoiler of this subscription box, so if you want to check it out, I will pop on the top here. And when I choose the products inside, it was a brand takeover, and the brand was the Wonder Skin. So I choose all the products from that brand. And also I choose another product that it was released the week before. Let's start first product that I chose the week before, and this is the Coco Star Sunscreen Capsule Mask SPF 50 plus PA+++. It has 50 capsules inside. So this is a full size. I have this one as travel size, as sample sizes, and I really do like this one. I brought with me when I went to holiday last month, and it was very handy because I will show you, because they are in just a capsule, a hard capsule, and inside there's a product. So you just need to bring that one and then just open it when you need to use it, and then apply it all over your face. So I'm glad that they released the full size, because I really do like that one. And when I choose this one, lovelies, I was hoping that this will be not sold out, because as I said, I love this product. And for more info, lovelies, as I said, I will pop here the link of the lineup spoiler of this subscription box, and also the price, as always, I will pop in here. So inside it does look like this. I love the packaging. And then inside it does look like this. And yeah, you just need to get one of these and open it here, and the product will come out, and you just need to apply it all over your face. I honestly, lovelies, I usually use 2 of these. I think it's not enough, just 1 capsule for all over your face. But yeah, I still do like it. It does really do the job. It moisturizes my skin, and also because this is a sunscreen, lovelies, it's not really that very heavy sunscreen. It's very lightweight one, and it doesn't have any perfume. I have quite sensitive skin, so yes, I really do like this one. So I'm glad that it's still available when I did my choices. And now let's do the brand takeover from Wonder Skin. So the first product that I chose, this is the Wonder Blading Lip Color Peel and Reveal for perfect all day lip color, and this one in the shade Glamorous. I choose the Glamorous one, but also I choose the Whimsical. So yes, this is a full size. It says Wonder Blading is a new way to hyper stain your lips. It's a two-phase process that starts with a lip mask containing special colorants. The second step is a mist which activates the mask and hyperstain the brilliant color into the surface of your skin. Within seconds of misting, you can peel and reveal a perfect pout of color that is transfer-free, smudge-free, feather-free, and water-resistant. So apply 2 to 3 thick coats onto clean exfoliated lips like a lip gloss using short side to side or up and down stroke. Ensure lips are completely covered and no skin is visible. Leave on for 10 to 45 seconds. The longer you leave it on, the more saturated your lip color will be. Mist activator 1-2 times to peel and reveal. So yes, if you want to see my try on of this product, lovelies, I will pop in my TikTok after I upload this video, lovelies. So yes, so if you want to follow me on TikTok, lovelies, I will pop here my username. So yes, you have the lip mask. Also you have inside the towel one, and then there's also another one here. This is the activator one, so you need to spray this one. So first, lovelies, you need to apply this one and the activator. So yes, I will try this one on my TikTok, so if you wanna follow me there, you will see it there, my try on of this product. I have in the shade Whimsical and Glamorous. I think Glamorous is more reddish shade and Whimsical is more nude shade, but we'll see. So yes, I will try this and we'll see. And then also I chose this one, which is the Wonder Blading Lip Scrub. So I might do this one first, the lip scrub, before I use Toast, because it says that you need to scrub your lips first. So yeah, here we go. And inside it's like a clear scrub, and we'll see. And this is a full size too, lovelies. And then I choose also this one, which is the Wonder Blading Lip Gloss. I love the packaging. Can you see it? The rainbow color, love it. And this one, so it does look like this, the outer packaging. And let's see inside if it does. It doesn't have any color, so it's like a clear lip gloss. And it says here, apply alone or over Wonder Blading lip color for long-lasting shine. And then the last product I choose from this brand is this, the Powerful Mascara, lengthen, volume, and curl. So yes, here we go. And as always, lovely, the applicator I will apply here because I won't open this one. Here we go, love the packaging, very fancy. So let's do a recap. So I choose all the Wonder Skin brand takeover. So I choose the Wonder Blading lip color in the shade Whimsical and Glamorous. I choose also the mascara, which is the Powerful Mascara, the lip gloss, the Blading lip gloss, and the scrub, which is the Blading lip scrub. And then also I choose the Coco Star Sunscreen Capsule Mask. So here are all the 6 products that I choose. I didn't choose the Hall of Fame for this month because it's not really for me. So yes, that's all, lovelies. I'm really happy with my choices this month, to be honest. I choose all full-size products and I choose all the products that I really want to try. So that's all for me, lovelies. And you, lovelies, what products did you choose? And I will do my lineup spoiler for next month very soon. So yes, stay tuned for that. So that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload a video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye.